We'll go ahead and put our legs together now, sitting nice and close towards the edge of that chair, so we got wiggle room to go. We're going to hold our two imaginary weights in our hands, making them pull us deep down into the ground. With those weights to the side, gently allow them to go deep into the ground as far as you can go. Deeper and deeper, feeling the stretch on your lower back as you ease into it. With a big breath in through the belly. Gently sitting up nice and tall out of that position. We're going to bring both of our hands to our sides now. Open up our chest and body, letting go of all that tension with a breath in through your body. Exhaling nice and easily down with your hands. And we will move into our leg extensions next. So this is a good one to just warm up your knees, especially if you've been sitting a lot. This is a really good, gentle way to work that movement back and forth here. Nice and controlled, trying to get that knee as straight as we can at the top, maybe even holding for just a second. And then coming back down. Good. Go ahead and relax on there. We're going to do our side-to-side tick-tocks next. So hands to the side of our chair, reaching down, getting a nice easy tap to the side, going back and forth in that chair, paying close awareness to the muscles that are being worked, the muscles that are being lengthened, and how strong your body is in this position as you challenge it left and right, back and forth. We're going to go ahead and reach a little bit farther now to the side. So you're going to kind of make your markers a little bit farther from your chair, maybe about a foot or a foot and a half. You're still trying to see if you can touch the ground though. That's the key here. So as far as you can to the side while being able to touch the ground. It's going to look different for everyone. If you have a little bit better mobility, you're going to be able to reach a little bit farther. We're going to hang tight here for 15 seconds, okay? Breathe through the movement, back and forth. Good. One more time, big far reach. All the way to the top. We'll go ahead and reset. Our next exercise is going to be one of our strengthening drills. You're going to put one leg out, and we're going to be actively pushing into the ground as hard as we can, trying to imagine that ground pushing back up against us, and we're trying to resist it with our leg, okay? With that foot, that heel on the ground, we're going to push as hard as we can. 15 strong seconds, ready, set, go. Push that heel down, down, down. Imagine the floor coming up to you, and you are pushing against it as hard as you can. Take a big breath in for me. Big breath out. Relax on that leg. Excellent job. Very nice. Take another breath. We're going to repeat on the other side. Same concept, using that visualization of the ground pushing against us. Ready, set, go. Push that heel into the ground as hard as you can and as comfortably as you can. Only go as far as your body will let you go. A few more seconds. Keep breathing. Keep pushing. Relax that body. Excellent job. Very nice. Go ahead and shift up towards the front of your chair. We're going to do our hip circles to warm up our hips a little bit. Take a move either side, left or right, and get a nice big circle. Again, big is relative, only as big as your body will comfortably let you go. As you feel that lower back open up, feel those hip muscles loosen, and feel the strength of all the muscles in your body as you move gently through this movement. Switching sides, same exact concept. Nice and carefully, all the way around that chair. Lots of intention with your movement. feeling your hips, lower back, core, all engage in unison as you breathe and hold at the top. Very nice. We're going to go ahead and do one more strengthening drill for today. This is going to be with our arms. We're going to place our hands on the top of our chair. This one, we are going to actively be pushing against that chair, trying to lock out our arms against that chair as hard as we can, just using our imagination. So you're pushing against it. 15 strong seconds again, just like with our legs. Ready, set, go. Push as hard as you can. Again, you can imagine as if that chair is pulling up against you and you're pushing right back down. You're being strong. You're breathing throughout the movement, feeling the strength of those muscles work, getting stronger and stronger as you now relax. Very nice, everyone. Let's take a couple breaths all together. Excellent job on that part, getting stronger and fitter. Take a big breath in, big breath out. One more, big breath in, big breath out. Excellent job. Our next pose is going to be our pigeon pose, one of my favorite stretches. Crossing our legs down below is the first variation. Otherwise, I always encourage people, if you're feeling it today, to try to get that foot up onto your knee. Today, we're going to do 5 slow passes. So we're going to go down and up, 5 slow times, okay? Go ahead and go on my cadence. Gently, you can ease your body down into the chair. Nice and carefully, holding for 1 count, sitting up nice and slowly, that's 1, easing yourself down again, feeling your hips becoming relaxed, and coming up, 3 more, down, let that body relax, hips relax, up, good, 2 more, down, as far as you can go, breathing life into your body as you come up. 1 more time, we're going to hold this position now for 3 breaths on the descent. Go as low as you comfortably can. Feel your body relax with a big breath in, big breath out, big breath in, pain melting away, big breath in and out. Very nice. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall off of that side. Excellent job. As we move into the opposite movement, again, crossing your legs as the first variation or bringing your foot up onto your knee. 5 slow passes. Go ahead and join me with our first one. Down to the ground and up nice and easily. Down to the ground, up, good. Imagining that torso getting closer and closer to that leg. Every single pass as you go down and up. 2 more here. Big breath in and out as you go down deep into the stretch. Come out of it. And our final descent, we're going to hold for 3 deep breaths as we go back down again. Hang tight here with me, feeling that body become light, feeling that muscle release, feeling the mobility return as we breathe in and out, gently coming up out of that side. Excellent job. Very nice. We're going to do a little bit of quickness drills with our feet. Today is going to be kind of like an in and out variation. So we're going to tap forward with 1 foot, bring it back, and then we're going to tap forward with the other foot. I'm just doing this on a slight diagonal though, so it's a little different plane of motion than just going straight forward or straight left and right. You can do 10 seconds nice and slow, 10 seconds medium pace, and 10 seconds nice and fast like we normally do. We'll go ahead and do slightly faster now, trying to get our feet a little bit more in that movement, still trying to be precise with those taps. Back and forth here. Now, as fast as we can, move those feet. Go, 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 go. Still be precise here. Make sure we're breathing. And relax. Good. Everyone reset here. We'll all take 2 good breaths. Recharge our body for the last few bits. Big breath in and out. Good. Breathe in and out. Very nice. We'll go ahead and sit back in our chair now. And we're going to open up our upper back in this position by placing our hands behind our head or in front of your shoulders if there is pain in your shoulders, whatever is comfortable for you today. We're then leaning back gently into our chair as far as we can, looking up to the sky, feeling all the tension throughout our body release, all the stress of our body evaporate into the air as we become more whole, more strong, and more life. Taking one more breath in this position and exhale. Hands forward now, together, holding a heavy ball in your hand. You're going to place your hands on the inner portion of your legs. They're going to be out just a little bit, not too much. This is going to be good for your mobility. Allow that ball to now become heavier and heavier, pulling you deep in towards the ground as far as you can. Deeper and deeper that ball is taking you. Your back is now completely compressed. You are completely at ease, and your body is relaxed and at peace with the present moment. With a big breath in, big breath out, sitting up as slow as you can, feeling every single vertebrae in your back unravel, feeling the muscles work in unison as you come up to the top, moving back into a place of good posture. Now with your shoulders back, moving towards the front of our chair just so we get a little more wiggle room. Hands down, we will work our finger muscles a little bit, opening and spreading our palms as far as we can, and then clenching our hands back in a nice tight fist, feeling the strength of our body in this position. And then all the way out once again, opening them, feeling those hands become open to the world as we come back in for one strong sensation, feeling the strength of our body in our arms, relaxing that tension in our hands to the side, sitting up nice and straight, back in our good posture position, moving into a gentle neck roll all the way around, making as big of circles as our body will let us take today, as big of circles as our body comfortably will allow us to go, feeling all of those muscles doing their job, the tension releasing from that area, complete warmth. As you transition to the other side, moving in the opposite direction, feeling the similarity of the movement, but the difference because of the difference in direction. Coming out of that movement all the way to the top. And we will finish today with a knee to chest, grabbing either below our leg or in front of our knee. This one gives you a little bit better leverage, but whatever's comfortable for you. actively using the strength of our arms and legs as much as we can have today to pull that knee towards our chest and up towards the sky. Getting a gentle ankle twist in your body, an ankle. Feeling the tightness in your hip, tightness in your knee, loosening of your ankle, all in one simple movement. As we release that position and move to the other side once again, grabbing the front or below, pulling up on that knee, adding that ankle twist in, feeling the complexity of your body as it works together, and the loosening of all the muscles we're working as we ease off that side and gently move back into our chair.